What is Whop? Whop is your all-in-one platform to sell digital products like services and memberships online. Creators and entrepreneurs use it to sell software and bots, private Discord access, courses, guides, subscriptions, and more. It gives you a professional storefront, takes care of payments, and manages customers for you. No technology skills? No problem. Just upload your product, set your price, and start selling in minutes. Whoop also connects with tools you already use, like Discord, Telegram, Google Drive, and more. Whether you're a freelancer, developer, or content creator, Whoop is built for digital hustle. Thousands are already earning by turning their skills and content into digital income streams. Your knowledge, tools, and ideas are valuable. Whoop helps you turn them into income. It's fast, powerful, and built for creators like you. Join the movement now. Smell smarter. Start today at whoop.com. If this video helps and explain everything, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.